Hi, I'm CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we're going to do an unboxing of this model, which is the Zvezda model 7232, a 1/72nd scale model of the Kamov KA-58 Black Ghost. That's a Russian attack helicopter. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. The parts are not in a bag, and this is the extra bit which I got, which is masking, and we'll put that aside because it's not part of the kit. So firstly, we've got the instruction manual, which has got instructions in English, Russian and probably German. One sheet of instructions at about 4 pages. Instructions seem quite clear and simple. There's a fuselage. Comes with quite a few weapons there. Looks like missiles and rockets. And these are the counter rotating or coaxial rotor blades. The aircraft is painted in a gunship grey. Let's look at the first sprue. This is the main fuselage with recessed panel lines. Plastic is a bit rough, a bit of flash, and those are the rotor hubs. Top of the fuselage and bottom of the fuselage. It's all in black plastic. Not a lot of ejection pin marks. Plastic is not the smoothest. I'm sure we can sand it off. The second sprue is a really large one, so apologies for the black plastic on the black background. So you can see that there's 2 sets of 3 rotor blades, landing gear, the tail fin, instrument panels, cockpit parts, weapon bay doors, not too bad in terms of flash. There's not a lot of flash, tiny bit there. And the next sprue is weapons, a lot of rockets, missiles, and all the launchers. And these are the rocket pods with little rockets. Again, there's not a lot of flash, which is good. Now we look at the clear parts. It's quite clear. The plastic looks quite thick actually. A little bit of flash and some scratches on the plastic, but that's fine. And there's a decal sheet, just a small one. And there's a spare part there that's fallen off the sprue. Quite a basic model, but quite a lot of parts. I've never built a Zvezda model before, so let's see how we go. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. And thanks very much for watching.